Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are here at SeaWorld. We are seeing the new Hydro Surge show. It is inside the Nautilus Theater. It's playing, I think, pretty much every day of the summer for their summer spectacular. And it's supposed to be like a mix of acrobatics, music, singing, and special effects. So I'm really looking forward to this show.
but don't look down. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. Hey, I'm on top of the world.
Now we are at the Bayside Stadium. We are seeing the new drone show. So SeaWorld released a new drone show this summer along with their fireworks, Ignite fireworks. So yeah, so if you come here to SeaWorld, it's usually I think about 9 o'clock most days. If you come at 9 o'clock, you get to see a drone show and the fireworks show. So that's pretty cool. So we're back from SeaWorld. Yeah, so this year the summer shows are really cool. I love the new Hydro Surge. I love how much effort and budget they put into it. The songs are really cool. I like the acrobatics. I also love the special effects. So yeah, it's a really cool show, so I highly recommend seeing it if you guys get a chance this summer. The drone show was kind of cool. It was cute. But if you guys had a chance to see the drone show at Disney Springs last year, that one was definitely a lot better at Disney. But yeah, SeaWorld tried, so it's cute. Yeah, so it was a pretty good day. Thank you everyone for watching and see you guys next time. Bye.